Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete shortcut on Snapchat. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open the Snapchat, and here we need to click on the chat button in the bottom side of the screen to open our chat. So basically here, just under the chat title, we can see our shortcuts. So in my case, this is the only one shortcut with a little emoji. You can have more shortcuts. So if you want to delete some of your shortcuts, all you have to do is to simply click on the new button just next to the shortcuts, and here you will have an ability to edit them. So click on the shortcut you want to delete. I'll click on my only one shortcut, and here in the top right corner you have a little bin button. So simply by clicking on this bin button and then confirming the action, clicking on yes, delete this shortcut, we can just simply delete the shortcut. And basically you can do the same steps with every single shortcut that you want to delete. And basically that is how you can delete shortcut on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.